a side person. For real, if for example mi nilikuwa na side person, if I had like a side man hapo kando, ningekuwa na kuignore hadi unashangaa. Unani text and then na kuignore cause mbona ni kutext nikiwa na main hapa na akiona alafu niache. Au kujia ama. Unacheka but then it's serious. It's serious.
Okay, one more question.
Yeah.
Question.
Ni
Kwa nini
unacheka kwa funny. But then ni ukweli.
Okay, one more
Yeah.
question. Kwa nini uko na side guy na uko na boyfriend yako? Why will you unasema kwamba una ignore mtu? Kwa nini uko na yeye alafu mu-ignore? Why be with the side guy na uko na main guy? Ndio mu-ignore. What's the purpose?
Personally, I don't need like a side guy side. I don't need a side guy. But then from my friends, like my friends wananiambianga, there's some obvious reasons. If your main guy is a stingy man, you have to find a side guy to sponsor your life. And if your main guy has like anger issues or maybe he's a poor listener, like you find a side guy cause to replace like things zenye main guy wako hana.